calculation, and sooner or later, you'll have to face that calculation.
What is the value of money? When does hard work become a success? What choices shape our future? Every day, we make decisions that involve numbers without even realizing.
Today, we will explain how mathematics is connected to our daily life, from earning salaries, paying taxes, to calculating profits, losses, and many more. Let's discover how math can help us make better and smarter choices for our everyday life. Today, we will learn and talk about salary and wages. So, gusto may nakabalo, Ani? Okay, Miss Lagumay, what is salary and wages?
Salary is a fixed amount and wages is based on the hours, number of hours or days worked.
Okay, very good, Miss Dagumay. Kindly put 5 points on your index card.
Salary is a fixed amount paid by an employer. It is usually given monthly or every 2 weeks for an employee's work. Wages are given to workers based on the hours or days they work. They are usually paid daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks.
Good morning, class. So today is another day and another lesson. Okay. So our next topic is commission and casework.
I work as a motorcycle salesperson. Aside from my salary, I also earn a commission for every motorcycle I sell. So the more motorcycles I sell, the more money I earn. Work in a perfume factory and get paid through piecework. The more perfume bottles I pack, the more money I earn.
When ka nag-start and unsa pay price, on-site prices basta mga bugas?
Tuwan ko, barato pa jud ka.
So karon
Ang bugas kaniya to, marag na sa 30 plus.
Ang si BBM is ang ano daw, inapakita din sa decrease ng rice and most of the people is nitubod sila din mo ng expectation nila kang BBM. So,
Oh, before ko ma-answer ng imong question, kamo ga eskwela man gid mo. Pag start ko din yung eskwela, pila pa ang presyo, di ba barato pa?
barato.
Paglingkod di BBM, unsa inyong na-notice?
Ang taas.
Oh, see? You're the one who answered your question.
Have you ever wondered why prices goes up or why stores offer sales? That's where markup and discount come in. So now, we will give you examples of markup and discount.
I bought these pants for 200 pesos. I added a 50 pesos markup and sold them for 250 pesos, earning a profit.
Madali ma'am, dagan kitag mga makeup available. Pwede ka magpalit ating Maybelline Fit Me kay ga-discount din sila karon for 250. Ngayon, mabibili mo na lang ng 190.
Did the business earn more than it spent? Or did it lose money? That's what profit and loss helps us determine. So now we will learn what profit and loss is about.
It's okay, palit na mo mga prutas fresh pa kayo na. Barato ng kilo. Alin na mo, palit na mo.
During Ramadan, I sold fruits at the market. After paying for all the fruits and other expenses, the money I had left was my profit.
Utan, mga suki, mga utan. So, natin diri carrot, natin mga fresh nga utan dire. So, palit na mo sa atong utan. Fresh pa kaayo, bagong harvest from Bukod.
Heavy rainfall reduced my vegetable sale, causing a loss.
Okay, class. So, our new lesson is about read.
Value added tax.
1,000 lang. Bakit naging 1,030 ito?
Ano po kasi sir, yung 110 na nadagdag sa inyo ang binayaran is, ito po yung VAT o 12% value added tax. Isa itong buwis na binabayaran ng karamihan.
Kaya pala mas mataas ang total. Kasama na pala ang VAT sa babayaran.
Deductions. Have you ever wondered why your take-home pay is lower than your salary? Then, the answer is deductions.
Mom, my salary is 10,000 but I only receive 9,200.
The remaining 800 was deducted for taxes and government contribution.
Okay, I understand now. Those are salary deduction.
Ma'am, can I ask you a question?
Ha?
Can I ask you a question?
Bakit kwan?
Ma'am, 1, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 300, 400, 515. So, kaya-kaya na siya dumang 1,550.
Thank you, ma'am. Good luck po.
So, ma'am, this is your total payment sa imuhang pag-work. Pero, kuhaan ka nag-ibigog, tax, 100, DIR, 100, pag-ibig, 250, o sa ato ang PhilHealth, 100, o sa tax, ma'am, kay 500. Wala na nabinito. Kanin, sendo, panig. Gili na lang tamari baho mo. Ano naman din makuha.
Mathematics is not only found in books, it is also found in nature. One of the most amazing patterns around us is the Fibonacci sequence. Let's discover how this sequence appears in our everyday life.
So, ilang taon yung sunflower, baka kaayos. Diyan, yan ang mga seeds niya. Nasa sunflower, Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence, yung sama na. Ang Fibonacci sequence, kay pattern na siya, nagasulit sa 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 8. Each pattern, nagaduwag siya because i-add ang katong first number. Bato running dot ang sunflower.
Good morning, class. So our lesson today is overtime pay. So what is overtime pay? Overtime pay is the extra amount of money an employee earns for working beyond the regular working hours. Example.
My shift ended at 5 p.m. but I stayed until 7 p.m. until I finished my work.